Good morning, viewers. Oyare. Oyare. Now today, my name is Kai. And these are my friends. This is Wolfie.
Hello.
And this is Teddy.
Hello.
Whoa, today we're going to... What did we learn about yesterday?
Count to 10.
Count to 10. We learned about how to count to 10.
Yeah.
And we say that, how do you count? 1?
To 10.
Achiel. 2.
Ario.
3.
Ade.
4.
Angwen.
5.
Abi.
6.
Auchiel.
7.
Abirio.
8.
Aboro.
9.
Ochiko.
10.
Abai.
So we learned about how to count from 1 through to 10. Today we learn about how to talk with your friend and tell them your name. For example, my name is Kai, so I will tell my friend Nyinga and Kai. So how will I tell my friend? Nyinga and Kai. If your name is Teddy, hi Teddy,
Hi.
you say Nyinga and Teddy. So you say what? Nyinga and Teddy. Again?
Nyinga and Teddy.
Correct. Now if your name is Ufi, hi Ufi, you say, how do you say? Nyinga and Ufi. Again, Nyinga and Ufi. If your name is Kai, you say Nyinga and Kai. If your name is Teddy, you say Nyinga and Teddy. And if your name is Ufi, you say Nyinga and Ufi. So, who knows what Nyinga means?
Oh, me.
What does it mean, Teddy? What does Nyinga mean?
It means your name is different.
Yes, Nyinga means name. So, if you say Nyinga and, you're actually saying my name is. So, what if your name is Clacky, like Clacky? What do you say?
Nyinga and Clucky.
Good, you say Nyinga and Clacky.
Like Clucky's not here.
And Clacky is not here with us. Where is Clacky? Where his mother said that he'll not come in today. But he'll come in another day.
Yeah.
So what if your name is what? What name? Which one? Yes? Yes, Teddy?
I got a picture of Clucky.
Oh, you got a picture of Clacky? So if your name is Clacky, you say Nyinga and Clacky. Okay?
Okay.
So starting today, we shall be saying Nyinga and then we say our name, okay?
Okay.
And that's how you say your name. What if your name is Tony? What do you say?
Nyinga and Tony.
Yes, you say Nyinga and Tony.
Actually, they're not. The sister and brother, like Tony and Nikki, are not here.
Oh, Tony and Nikki are not here?
Yeah.
Oh, but what if your name is Nikki? Then you say Nyinga and Nikki. So Teddy, can you talk about the names?
Oh, yes.
So how do you say, if your name is Teddy, you say?
Nyinga and Teddy.
Good. And Ufi? If your name is Ufi, what do you say?
Nyinga and Wolfie.
Nyinga and Wolfie. And now, because my name is Kai, I say Nyinga and Kai. And that is a very good lesson today. So ask your mommy her name, and then you'll go back to your mommy and tell your mommy your name. So mommy will ask you Nyingi and Nga. Nyingi and Nga. And then you say Nyinga and Teddy. So, Teddy,
Yes.
Nyingi and Nga.
Nyingi and Nya.
Then you say Nyinga.
And Teddy.
Good. And Ufi, what do you say?
Nyinga and
Ufi,
yes.
Nyingi and Nga.
Nyinga and Wolfie.
Good. Nyinga and Ufi. Can you go and practice this with mommy at home?
Yes.
Good. So this is the end of the lesson. So how do we tell the others? Oriti. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.